Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Zobo drink. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1.5 cups of dried hibiscus leaves, a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, and 1 whole pineapple. Optionally, prepare some sweetener, such as half a cup of honey, and any extra spices like 10 to 15 whole cloves or the zest of 1 orange. These fresh ingredients will ensure a vibrant and delicious drink. After rinsing your hibiscus leaves, prepare your aromatics. Peel and slice the 2-inch ginger piece and cut the whole pineapple into small, manageable chunks. Leaving the skin on will add a deeper flavor profile. Place the rinsed hibiscus, sliced ginger, and pineapple pieces into a large pot. Add 10 cups of water, then bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to infuse properly. Once your Zobo base has simmered, take the pot off the heat and allow it to cool for about 15 minutes. Next, carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth-lined colander into a clean pitcher. Discard the solids, which have given their full flavor to the liquid. Now is the perfect time to stir in your sweetener, like half a cup of honey, and any additional spices such as a teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until everything is fully dissolved. Before chilling, taste your Zobo and adjust for sweetness, or dilute it slightly with a small amount of water if it seems too strong. Let the drink cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial for safe refrigeration and optimal flavor. Once cooled, transfer it to an airtight container or a pitcher and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. Serve your vibrant, homemade Zobo drink chilled over ice, perhaps with a fresh mint leaf for an elegant touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.